It was just another night at a park where nothing ever goes wrong. Until someone saw something that shouldn't be there.
And Charles' train, left to rot, came back to life. No one knew where it came from.
No one knew where it came from.
Hurry! Keep moving!
No one knew where it came from.
And just like that, it was over.
Because when we got closer, we realized something wasn't right. What was hidden inside this train? Could it actually still work after everything? And if we rebuilt it, was it even worth bringing back?
The discovery of Subject 23, designated Choo Charles, confirms the rumors.
The structural failure is evident here. The sheer weight has driven the chassis deep into the wet soil. Note the extensive oxidation on the joints.
An inspection of the Choo Choo Charles reveals severe degradation. The metal is heavily pitted, covered in thick layers of flaky.
With a final adjustment, the teeth align, locking the mechanism into place.
The extraction of Subject 01, designated Charles, is proceeding as planned. Altitude holding steady.
The shipment has reached its destination. The infamous Choo Choo Charles is now secured within the brightly lit confines of the industrial workshop.
The structural symmetry is paramount. Using laser guidance, we ensure every panel meets the precise specifications before the final fitting.
A powerful blast of compressed air clears the heavy rust and debris from the locomotive's drive wheels, revealing the metal beneath.
Undercarriage pressure wash removes compacted dirt on the Choo Choo Charles train.
Compressed air is essential for removing accumulated grime from the tightest crevices of the locomotive's joints. Watch as the high-pressure water cuts through years of grime, revealing the pristine surface of the Choo Choo Charles. The reflections are incredibly smooth now.
The transformation is truly remarkable. A perfect line where rust meets the original metal of the Choo Choo Charles.
Applying the specialized blue foam evenly across the rusted chassis ensures complete coverage and deep penetration.
See the power of industrial clean, cutting through the grime and rust of the forgotten train.
The key is leverage. Even with the right tools, fitting a warped panel onto the Choo Choo Charles requires significant force and precision.
Here we see the intricate process of restoring the outer shell. The worker meticulously cleans the surface, revealing
The extent of the damage here is remarkable. This gear tooth sheared clean off under extreme load. The buildup securing the primary engine mounts requires high impact torque. Note the excessive corrosion around the bolt housing.
Wheels detached carefully from axles on Choo Choo Charles train.
With the crane engaged, the massive driving wheels are carefully aligned and secured to the locomotive frame.
The installation process is delicate yet essential. Polished chrome meets rusted iron as we prepare Charles for the coming hunt.
The searing heat fuses the new plate to the old structure. This weld must hold if the Charles is to ride again.
Watch closely as the superheated metal transitions from a bright orange glow to a deep red.
The beast is broken, but we will rebuild it. We have to, before it awakens again.
We're reinforcing the critical weak points. These new plates will ensure the old beast holds together when it matters most.
The abrasive disc cuts through years of rust on the Choo Choo Charles, revealing the smooth, gleaming metal hidden underneath.
Through precise application of the scraper, the deep rust is cleared, exposing the mirror-like shine of the underlying metal.
To defeat the monster, we must first restore it. We're grinding away decades of decay from the horrifying Choo Choo Charles.
Smoothing the welded seams on the Choo Choo Charles. This meticulous grinding is crucial for the structural integrity of the massive machine.
To ensure proper adhesion, the surface must be meticulously wiped clean. This removes any fine dust particles before the priming layer is applied.
The structural reinforcement clamp is engaged, securing the outer hull of subject designation Charles. Maximum pressure achieved.
The structural integrity of the subject remains high, despite significant cosmetic removal.
This essential upgrade replaces decades of wear with resilient, high-grade chrome, ensuring optimal performance for the locomotive.
As you can see, the fresh bearing is meticulously guided into the wheel hub using the press tool. This press tool. This top-down view highlights the complexity of the main train's engine. Note the precise arrangement of the drive components and valve systems.
Here we see the heavy-duty axle being meticulously polished on the rotating stand, ready for the tracks of the Choo Choo Charles.
The new piping system requires precision alignment. Once seated, the connections must be secured with care to... The sanding process reveals a stark transition, exposing the bright, raw metal hidden beneath years of pitted rust and decay. The final sanding pass is complete, revealing the smooth, matte finish. The pressurized mist fills even the most minuscule imperfections, smoothing the pitted texture of the Choo Choo Charles metalwork to a flawless finish. Achieving a uniform finish requires meticulous inspection at the primer stage. The matte surface must be flawless to ensure...
Fully primed, awaiting his true colors. The beast sleeps now, but soon, Choo Choo Charles will awaken.
Smooth.
Sequence initiated. The thermal curing system is now bathing the target in a stabilizing heat. Note the subtle atmospheric distortion as
the... Now we apply the second layer using steady horizontal passes. This technique guarantees a consistent spray.
The smooth application of this vibrant yellow coat instantly transforms the surface. See how the wet, glossy reflections highlight...
Deep within the forgotten park, the legend of Choo Choo Charles is reborn, starting with a fresh layer of midnight black.
The dual-action polisher brings out a deep, wet shine in the vibrant yellow paint, restoring the finish flawlessly.
And just like that, every imperfection is wiped away. A mirror shine worthy of the finest locomotive.
The fine detailing on the edges and corners of this abandoned engine, affectionately known as Choo Choo Charles, the main breaker is engaged. Bypassing the safety interlocks and bringing the core online, we are go for ignition.
We focused on the headlight housing of the Choo Choo Charles train. We polished the glass to emphasize its clarity and shine.
Applied directly to the massive gears, the thick lubricant ensures smooth articulation, essential for the powerful yet terrifying movement of the machine.
Just listen to her sing. A true testament to old-world craftsmanship, running perfectly true. After meticulous cleaning, the valves are secured using a calibrated torque wrench to ensure precise tension.
The gentle touch of the microfiber reveals the true surface beneath the residue, creating a flawless, streak-free reflection on Choo Choo Charles.
Observe the intricate dance of light and shadow as the old boiler vents its energy into the cool air.
The engine awakens. Once dormant, the beast now hungers for the track. There is no escape once the wheels begin to turn.
The side panels are gone, revealing the beast's inner workings. A terrifying blend of high-pressure pistons and living tissue.
Witness the rebirth of a legend. The spirit of adventure lives on, cleaner and brighter than ever before.
Witness the rebirth of unparalleled beauty. A sanctuary reclaimed, now welcoming even the most unique residents back into the light.
Satisfying.
Finally complete. The alignment is perfect, and the engines are primed. Charles is ready to ride again.